Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Toyota RAV4 Maintenance. Essential tips for a smooth ride. Owning a Toyota RAV4 means enjoying reliability and a smooth driving experience, but it comes with a responsibility: regular maintenance. Neglecting routine upkeep can lead to common issues such as poor fuel efficiency, engine troubles, and costly repairs down the line. However, with a little attention, you can keep your RAV4 running like new. In this video, we'll break down essential tips to help you maintain your vehicle and enjoy all its benefits for years to come. Don't miss out on these practical insights that are easy to apply and guarantee peace of mind on the road. The importance of regular maintenance. Keeping your Toyota RAV4 in prime condition goes beyond just enjoying a smooth ride. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing big issues, ensuring your safety, and maintaining the vehicle's resale value. Here, we'll explore how this regular upkeep benefits you in multiple ways. Preventing major repairs. Regular maintenance is like giving your RAV4 a health checkup. Just as you wouldn't ignore an annual physical, you shouldn't skip routine car checkups either. Avoid costly breakdowns. Small problems can snowball into major repairs if ignored. For example, changing your oil regularly can prevent engine failure, which is far more expensive to fix. Catch issues early. Routine inspections can catch potential issues before they become serious. Mechanics can spot worn-out parts and replace them before they cause larger issues. Save money. Spending a little on maintenance now can save you a lot on repairs later. Think of it as an investment in your car's future. Ensuring safety. Your safety on the road is paramount, and a well-maintained vehicle is key to keeping you and your passengers safe. Reliable brakes. One critical aspect is brake maintenance. Worn-out brakes can lead to accidents, but regular checks ensure they're always in top condition. Tire health. Regularly checking and rotating your tires can prevent blowouts and improve traction, particularly in adverse weather conditions. Fluid levels. Keeping an eye on fluid levels like antifreeze, brake fluid, and engine oil ensures that your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. Maintaining resale value. When it's time to sell your Toyota RAV4, you want to get the best price possible. Proper maintenance is crucial for maintaining the vehicle's value over time. Complete service records. Keeping detailed records of all services and repairs can be a big selling point for potential buyers. This shows that the vehicle has been well cared for, making it more attractive in the used car market. Better performance. A regularly serviced vehicle runs better and has fewer issues, making it a more desirable option to buyers. Appearance matters. Maintenance isn't just mechanical. Regular cleaning and detailing can keep your RAV4 looking as good as it runs. Regular maintenance might seem like a hassle, but it pays off in more ways than one. Don't put off those routine checks and services. They're essential for the longevity, safety, and value of your Toyota RAV4. Basic maintenance tasks. Maintaining your Toyota RAV4 doesn't need to be a chore. By keeping up with a few basic maintenance tasks, you can ensure that your vehicle remains reliable and performs at its best. Here's what you need to focus on. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are vital to keep your engine running smoothly. Oil lubricates the moving parts in your engine, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. Without regular oil changes, the oil can become dirty and less effective, which can lead to engine damage. Importance. Fresh oil ensures that your engine components are well lubricated, which helps in preventing wear and tear. Recommended intervals. It's generally recommended to change your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Check your owner's manual for the exact interval. Neglecting oil changes can lead to severe engine problems, so set a reminder and keep it punctual. Tire rotation and alignment. Your tires are the only part of your car that make contact with the road, so keeping them in good condition is crucial. Tire rotation. Rotating your tires ensures even wear, which extends their lifespan. It's typically recommended to rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Alignment. Proper alignment keeps your vehicle driving straight and reduces tire wear. Misalignment can cause your car to pull to one side and lead to uneven tire wear. Regular tire rotation and alignment checks will help you get the most out of your tires and ensure a smooth driving experience. Brake inspection. Your brakes are one of the most important safety features of your vehicle. Regular inspections can prevent potentially dangerous situations. What to look for? Listen for squeaking or grinding noises when you brake, and watch for warning lights on your dashboard. Also, if your vehicle pulls to one side when braking, this could be a sign that your brakes need attention. Inspection frequency. Have your brakes inspected at least once a year or every 12,000 miles. During these checkups, mechanics will look at the thickness of your brake pads and the condition of your rotors. Keeping your brakes in good condition ensures your safety and that of your passengers. Battery maintenance. A dead battery can leave you stranded, so regular battery maintenance is key. Importance. Your car's battery powers everything from the engine to the lights and electronics. Regular checks ensure it's in good working condition. How to check? Look for corrosion around the battery terminals and clean it off if you find any. Also, make sure the battery is securely mounted and that there are no loose connections. If your car has trouble starting, it might be time to get the battery tested. Replace your battery every 3 to 5 years, depending on its condition and performance. By sticking to these basic maintenance tasks, you can keep your Toyota RAV4 running efficiently and avoid unexpected surprises on the road. Stay proactive with your vehicle's care. Your car and wallet will thank you. Advanced maintenance tasks. While regular maintenance is key to keeping your Toyota RAV4 running smoothly, there are also advanced tasks that deserve your attention. These are not as frequent but are crucial for longevity and performance. Here's an overview of some advanced maintenance tasks that you should keep in mind. Transmission service. The transmission in your RAV4 is responsible for transferring power from the engine to the wheels, allowing your car to move. It's a critical component, and maintaining it is essential for a smooth driving experience. Importance. A well-maintained transmission ensures that your car shifts gears smoothly, which can prevent jerking or slipping during acceleration. Neglecting it can lead to costly repairs or even complete transmission failure. Recommended service intervals. It's generally recommended to have your transmission fluid changed every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions and vehicle usage. Always refer to your owner's manual for the specific interval. Ensuring regular transmission service can mean the difference between a smooth ride and a hefty repair bill. Coolant system flush. The coolant system in your RAV4 is responsible for keeping the engine at the right temperature. It prevents overheating and helps your engine run efficiently. Need for regular flushes. Over time, the coolant can become acidic and less effective, which can lead to corrosion inside the engine. This is why regular flushing and refilling of the coolant are necessary. Benefits. A coolant flush removes sediment and rust buildup, improving the efficiency of your cooling system. It also helps in extending the lifespan of the engine and prevents overheating, which can cause significant damage. Regular coolant system flushes ensure your engine stays cool, efficient, and corrosion-free. Timing belt replacement. The timing belt is a vital component that synchronizes the engine's functions. If it fails, the engine's valves and pistons can collide, causing severe damage. Significance. Replacing the timing belt at the recommended intervals is crucial. If it snaps, it can lead to catastrophic engine failure, resulting in costly repairs. Potential consequences of neglect. Ignoring the timing belt can lead to engine misfires, loss of power, and eventually, complete engine failure. Replacing it on time can save you from these potential disasters. Scheduling a timing belt replacement as advised in your owner's manual is an investment in your vehicle's future. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover advanced maintenance tasks. See you in the next video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.